EPS teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to DPS teleclass. I am Maimuna Suha, your maths teacher. Today I am here to recall fractions. Before starting the lesson, let's recite the dua with me.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Learning intentions. Today we are going to recall what proper, improper, mixed, equivalent fraction, like and unlike fraction is. We will learn to compare and order fractions, and we will learn addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. Success criteria. You will be successful if you can know and recognize different types of fractions: proper, improper, mixed, equivalent fraction, like and unlike fraction. You should be able to compare and order given fractions, able to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fractions. Fraction notation. Students, a fraction has two parts. The number on the top of the line is called the numerator. It tells how many equal parts of the whole or collection are taken. The number below the line is called the denominator. It shows the total divisible number of equal parts the whole into, or the total number of equal parts which are there in a collection. Here you can see half. So 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. These are some fraction examples. 1 is whole, half, 1/4 and 3/4. These are some real examples of fractions. Here you can see that a pizza is cut into equal parts, a watermelon and an orange is cut into equal parts. Let's look at fraction types and fraction unit. Unit fractions. Unit fractions are half, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 and 1/5. These are examples of unit fractions. Second type of fraction is proper fractions. Example of proper fractions include 3/4, 2/3, 8/10. Third type is improper fractions. 4/4, 4/3, 5/4. These are examples of improper fractions. Remember that in improper fractions, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Mixed fractions. Type 4. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and fraction. The 1 2/6 is an example of mixed fraction, and 2 3/4 and 5 5/6 is also an example of mixed fraction. Have you heard of equivalent fraction, students? Equivalent fraction represent the same amount of distance or points on a number line. All equivalent fraction reduce to the same fraction in their simplest form. When you find equivalent fraction, you have to multiply the number by 2. For example, half you have to times 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. Again you have to times it by 2. 2 times 2 equal to 4 and 4 times 2 equal to 8. So half is equal to 2 by 4 and 4 by 8. Let's find an equivalent fraction for 1/3. You have to times 1/3 from 2. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 3 times 2 equal to 6. Once again you have to times it again. 2 times 2 equal to 4. 6 times 2 equal to 12. Once again you have to times. 4 times 2 equal to 8. 12 times 2 equal to 24. Once again you have to times. 8 times 2 equal to 16. 24 times 2 equal to 48. So here you can see that 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 4 by 12, 8 by 24, 16 by 48, these all are equivalent fractions. So 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 4 by 12, 8 by 24, 16 by 48, when we reduce the answer is 1/3. These all are equivalent. Let's look at like and unlike fractions. Here you can see some like and unlike fractions. Like fractions have same denominators, like 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. Unlike fractions have different denominators. For example, 1/2, 2/3, 3/4. Let's look at comparing fractions. If the denominators are the same, then the fraction with the greater numerator is greater fraction. The fraction with the lesser numerator is the lesser fraction. And as noted above, if the numerators are equal, the fractions are equivalent. Use greater than, smaller than, or equal to compare the two fractions. Comparing fractions. Example, which is bigger, 3 by 8 or 5 by 12? Students, first you have to make denominators same, as the denominators are different. You have to write 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. You have to find LCM. The LCM is 24th. So you had from the times of 8 times 3 is 24. So you have to multiply 3 times 3. So the answer is 9 by 24. In the multiples of 12, the 24 comes by 2. So we have to multiply 12 times 2, which is 24, and 5 times 2, which is 10. So 9 by 24 is, you have to write the sign here, 10 by 24. Which is greater, students? Yes, 10 by 24 is greater than 9 by 24. So 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 12, or 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Converting mixed numbers and improper fraction. Mixed numbers. A mixed number has a part that is a whole and a part that is a fraction. Here you can see a whole and you can see 3/4. 3 parts is colored, so it is 3/4. 1 and 3/4. Let's look at how we can change a mixed number into improper fractions. First, step is multiply the whole number times the denominator. Second, add your answer to the numerator. Put the number over the denominator. For example, 2 half. You have to first multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and you have to add to 1, which is 5. So you have to write 5 by 2. Subtracting simple fractions. This is subtraction of fractions. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 8 equal to, you have to minus 7 minus 3, and you have to write 8 as denominator. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. You have to write 8 as denominator. When we reduce 4 by 8, the answer is 1 by 2. Again, adding simple fractions. When fractions have the same denominator, it is quite easy to add them together and to subtract them. For example, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 5. We can write 4 by 5. So it is the answer of it. Let's look at multiplication of how to find a fraction of a fraction. The first thing you remember is of. Of means multiply in mathematics. Step 1. When you see a fraction problem, you know when you read of in the problem you multiply. Half times 4 by 9. It means you have to multiply. Second step, multiply your numerator straight across. So you have to times the numerators. 1 times 4 equal to 4. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. So 4 by 18 we have to divide and reduce it by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. So 2 by 9 is the answer when we reduce the fraction. Multiply and simplify. 8 by 9 times 3 by 4 equal to 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 4 is 36. So 24 divided by 12 equal to 2. 36 divided by 12 is equal to 3. Let's look at division of fractions. Divide in a fraction by a fraction. Basically, in order to divide fractions, we will have to multiply. So half divided by 1/4 equal to 1 by 2 times 4 by 1. You have to remember to flip the number 1 by 4 to 4 by 1. Second step. From this point, the problem can be solved in the way that you did for multiplying fractions. You can reduce the fraction by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, so you have to write 1. 2 times 2 is 4, you have to write 2. So 1 times 2 is equal to 2, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. How to divide fractions? Step 1. Convert whole numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. For example, 3 by 1/4 is equal to, you have to write 1 as denominator as there is no denominator before, and you have to write the divide sign and write 1/4. Step to keep your first fraction dividend. So you have to write 3 by 1 divided by 1. So you have to write 3 by 1 first. Second, you have to write the multiplication sign. Third, you have to flip the number and write 1 by 4, which is flipped into 4 by 1. Step 5. Multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators. 3 by 1 times 4 by 1 is equal to 12 by 1. Step 6. Simplify if possible. So 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. Dividing fraction an example. Since both fractions, now you can keep first fraction. Change the operation to multiplication and flip second fraction. So 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 9. You have to write 3/4 times 9 by 2. You have to flip the number. And 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 2 is 8. Now you have to divide the number as the numerator is bigger than the denominator. In the times of 8, 27, which is nearer to 24. So you have to write 24 there, and 24 comes 8 times 8. So you have to write 8 above. When we subtract 27 minus 24, the answer is 3. So you have to write the answer as a mixed fraction, which is 3 by 8. So 3 by 4th divided by 2/9 equal to 3 by 8. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and you have to plus it to 1, which is 7. So the answer is 7 by 3 divided by, you have to flip the answer, 2 by 8, and equal 7 times 2. You have to write the times. 7 by 3 times 8 by 2. Once again you have to multiply the following numbers. 7 times 8 equal to 56 by 6, and 3 times 2 equal to 6. Now you have to divide the fraction as the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So you have to divide 56 from the times of 6. So 54 is nearer to 56, which is coming from the times of 6 times 9. So 56 minus 54 is equal to 2. Once again we can reduce the answer from 2. So the answer is 9 1 by 3. So 2 1/3 divided by 2/8 is equal to 9 1/3. That's all for now. I hope you have recalled more knowledge about the fraction topic, and thank you. Have a nice day.
EPS Teleclass